When I'm working with men, we're talking about the relationship. And oftentimes what happens is that we discover that there's a real possibility that their partner doesn't feel safe in the relationship, and really doesn't feel safe in the world. Maybe she had abuse in her past, any number of ways, physical, emotional, sexual, and she brings those experiences just as you bring your experiences into the relationship. And so the men are oftentimes confused about what are they supposed to do. They are trying their best, but their wives give them the cold shoulder, or they respond in really, emotional ways and heavy-handed, or not wanting to engage with them at all. And oftentimes we find that, well, she's not feeling safe. And the fact that she doesn't feel safe in the world, unless you've done something really terrible, really doesn't have anything to do with you. She came that way, right? She came that way into the relationship. But the question is, what can you do to be the best man you can be and to help her feel safer in your relationship? The more you can be a better listener, the more you could not judge her, not diminish her, not minimize what she's saying, the more you could make her feel heard, the safer she feels, the more likely she is to come towards you, to talk to you, so that you can be equal partners. And oftentimes, when these dynamics aren't really handled well, the men often feel like she's the problem, and he's just trying to deal with her as a problem, which just makes the space between you even greater. So if she can feel safer, and if she can come towards you, you'll see your relationship improve. And there's also a good chance that that can help her to see the work that she needs to do so that she does feel safer in all areas of her life.